All right, so you're asking to move to Houston?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to go to Houston?
Well, really, it's just I kind of wanted like a fresh start. My boyfriend lives there, and then my house. I live with my mom, but I also live with like my aunt, my grandma, my brother, my sister, and then my other sister's moving back from Illinois. So it's just kind of like a lot of people in a small place, and it's kind of overwhelming.
Mhm.
And it's like
How long have you known this boyfriend?
I've known him for a year, but we were friends, and then we started dating.
Here's the thing, and this is just me giving you a little life lesson, not something that I've experienced, but something that I've seen with my friends.
Yeah.
And I'm sure any parent will tell you, do not go from state to state, city to city, following a boyfriend, following a girlfriend. And sometimes people say marriage is just paper, but you're uprooting your entire life to go live with this boyfriend.
Mhm.
And what I was always taught, if you're going to be uprooting your life to go live with somebody, one, you got to be able to say when things get bad and things are not how they should be, or you think they should be, you got to have your own so you can say, I'm not tolerating this.
Mhm.
Peace. You're not in that situation. Basically, what you're doing is you're running from a problem you have. What you need to do, if you don't want to live in the place that you're living, get a job, get your own place, discover who you are. Because you don't even know who you are yet. You know why you don't know who you are yet? Because you're not living under your own roof. You're living under your parents or your aunt or your sister's roof. You don't even know who you are yet. And now you want to up and run off to be with a boyfriend when you are trying to successfully complete your probation. What do you even know about him? Do you know if he has any criminal cases?
He doesn't.
Did you do a background check?
No.
So basically, you're depending on him telling you this is what I have, right? And you have not lived together, right?
Correct.
This is the other thing that I know. Right now, the time that you've known this boyfriend, you haven't met him. You know who you've been meeting? His publicist, his hype person. Because when you first meet somebody, nobody lets the crazy come forward. If they do let the crazy come forward on the first date, you definitely shouldn't be with them. But usually what you're doing is you're meeting their publicist. And then slowly they let you start meeting the real person. So my answer to you of whether or not you can transfer to Houston is no. If you show me that you can financially support yourself, then the court will change that opinion. Because right now, if you end up going to Houston, we have to find a probation officer in Houston. And then if your boyfriend, something goes down and he ends up kicking you out, then you're going to come back to court and say, I don't have a place to live. My boyfriend kicked me out, and everything is going to go downhill for you. So my answer to whether or not you can transfer to Houston to be with your boyfriend where you don't have employment or anything else, the answer is absolutely not. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
Okay, let me bring in Van. They don't have a plus sign. So that means perhaps you all did not speak with them.
I have not.
All right, let me bring them in and send your colleague a message for me to see. I'm gonna start playing. Ms. Van, when I let you into the courtroom just now, you were laying down. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. Don't do that again. I need you to sit up. I need you to take your arm off of your cheek. I need you to sit up. I need you to not be in the bed. I need you to not be laying down on a couch. I need you to get up for court. I need you to get up for court.
Hello?
Don't say hello. I'm still waiting on you to get ready for court. Don't ever come in my courtroom laying down again. Ma'am, it's not a conversation. There's no need for a response. The court is open for business. That courtroom right here, it's open for business. 421 Madison Street. The court is open for business. There are no beds in there. There are no mattresses. There's nowhere for you to lay down. I need you to get somewhere where you can be seated, stationary, in an upright position, and ready to attend court. And you having an attitude about attending court sitting up is only going to be detrimental to you. It's not going to be detrimental to me. Roll your eyes at me again, and it's only going to be detrimental to you. It's not going to be detrimental to me. Please accept to join the breakout room and wait for a lawyer to come in to speak with you. Do not leave the breakout room until you have spoken with the lawyer. And they're going to help you with how to attend court. They're going to help you with your court demeanor. They're going to help you with the decorum of the court. They're going to help you understand that if you don't know how to attend court on Zoom, that the courtroom is open for business. Pre-COVID, the way we used to come, old-fashioned, old school, come down to the court, get dropped off, catch the bus, drive your car, park your car, walk into the court, go through security, come up to in the elevator to courtroom 339, check in with the court officer, and have a seat on the bench. We are open for business. Please accept to join breakout room number 4. Tell Ms. Stevenson to come back, Ms. Hall, though. Actually, I need to do this 3 defendant case right quick. Oh, wait, never mind. Her client might not be on the docket. Is her client even on the docket? Oh, yeah, her client is on the docket. But I didn't really need her client on the docket today. So never mind, she's fine. All right, I'm ready on Lawrence. This is case number, whoops. 194563801, the people of the state of Michigan versus Clyde Richard Lawrence. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. And today is the date set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Ms. Hall, you're muted.
I apologize. Rakidia Hall on behalf of Clyde Lawrence. Sir, may you please unmute yourself and state your full name for the record?
My name is Clyde Richard Lawrence.
Thank you, sir. Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, it appears that the complainant is not in the waiting room or is not present. In the absence of the complainant, we are requesting a dismissal in this case.
Ms. Ritter.
Judge, it's scheduled as the first time pretrial. I'm going to respectfully ask the court to adjourn a pretrial conference. This case is from 2019, Judge, so the people would like to try and locate the complainant witness to see how we will move forward in this matter.
The court is going to deny defense counsel's motion for dismissal. I will grant the people's request for a one-time adjournment, giving them an opportunity to locate and notify the complaining witness of the obligation that they appear before the court. I am going to set this matter for a pretrial conference November 8th, 2023 at 8:36. The complaining witness is required to appear. Failure of the complaining witness to appear will most likely result in the matter being dismissed unless the people have a valid explanation as to why the complainant could not appear or should not be required to appear. Bond will continue with no contact with the complaining witness. Anything further with respect to Mr. Lawrence?
Not from the people, Judge.
None for Mr. Lawrence.
Mr. Lawrence, you're all set until November 8th at 8:36 on Zoom, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a great day and stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you. So despite everything I said, she just went back and laid down again.
I didn't lay down. I'm sitting up. It's in a whole nother area.
Who you neck rolling at though?
I'm not neck rolling in no one of them.
Okay, I'm gonna send you back to the breakout room. And then Ms. Stevenson, I'll be ready when you all are.
Okay.
All right, so let's see. Whoops.
You want me to sit another place, ma'am?
Oh, Ms. Stevenson went to the breakout room. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. I didn't mean to do that. I want her to come out. I want Ms. Stevenson to come out. All right, there we go. Ms. Stevenson, I did something wrong. Who else is in the breakout room? Oh, your witness went to the breakout room. Your witness, and I made a mistake and clicked where it sent people automatically to the breakout room.
Oh.
And now it's just taken, it has to shut down. Why Ms. Washington is on 2 devices? Okay, Ms. Landers, please start your video again. All right, I am ready on case number. Whoops. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm ready on case number 234483701, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dawn Latrice Van. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery, and today is the date set for a pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people. I also have the complainant witness present via Zoom this morning. Ms. Landers, unmute yourself and just state your name for the court, please.
Katrina Landers.
And for the record, Your Honor, Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Dawn Van. Ms. Van, ma'am, please tell the judge your full name.
Dawn Van.
Ms. Van, what is your middle name, please?
Latrice.
Today is the date set for a pretrial conference. How are we proceeding?
On behalf of Ms. Van, Your Honor, we would continue the plea of not guilty. We ask this matter be set for final pretrial conference and would request discovery.
Ms. Landers, can you come back into video, please, ma'am? Okay, thank you. There we go. All right, the court is going to continue a not guilty plea. On behalf of Ms. Van, I will set the matter for a final pretrial conference. Ms. Ritter, is October the 9th going to be enough time for you to get the discovery to Ms. Stevenson?
Yeah, I'm sending a discovery right now, so yes.
The court is going to set a final pretrial conference for November the 8th at 9:02.
Excuse me, I won't be in. I have another court case, with juvenile court that day.
Your Honor, if it please the court, in that apparently Ms. Van does have a conflict. She has a matter wherein her 15-year-old child has to be before the juvenile court and she must be present along with him. May we please have a different date other than November 8th?
I don't like when people just randomly talk on my court.
Oh, I apologize. I didn't know what to say.
Since Ms. Van has to come in person to every other court date that she has with me, the court is going to grant your request to change the date from November the 8th. And I will change that date to Ms.
Thank you.
Van. You're welcome. Ms. Van has to come in person from this day forward.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is there anything further with respect to this matter? Did I order discovery? I'm sorry. Discovery should be submitted by October the 9th. Anything further?
Not for the people, Judge. Thank you.
Nothing on behalf of Ms. Van. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Then we are all set until October, strike that, November the 15th at 9:02. Everyone have a great day and stay safe.
Thank you,
too,
Your
as well,
Honor.
Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense,
Christopher Castro for the defense.
are you Mr. Almanza?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery, showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Almanza, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. We waive PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Almanza is picked up a federal charge while this case was pending, right? It was a couple months before.
Okay, nobody can hear you. Everybody's mumbling today.
Mr. Almanza had picked up a federal charge a couple of months before this charge. He was incarcerated and placed in the federal custody. He's since been released after spending the year in federal custody. He's currently on federal probation. He's done a term at lifetime recovery and has been successful on probation since being released.
All right, why are you dressed in red? There's a reason for it. What's the reason?
Gang affiliation.
Okay. Thank you for being honest with me. Some people will try to tell me a different reason when we already know what the reason is. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
What are their ages?
13 and 21.
Where's the 13-year-old?
She's at home with my mother.
With your mother?
Yes.
Where's her mother?
Also incarcerated.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 646435, 646434. State, do you have those motions? The dismissals? Okay. 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to require parenting classes, and that's going to be with compadre y compadre. And once he completes those parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Proof of employment, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, and that's going to be within 30 days. Regular reporting. Regular UAs, gang supervision, And I'm not going to order the field visits because I know the gang supervision unit will do that. Is that correct, probation? So there's to be gang supervision. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Because he's done lifetime recovery with federals.
No, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Oh, Your Honor.
All right, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Good luck to you.